Hello friends, I am Anjana. Welcome to my class. Students, in previous videos we have discussed about acids and bases and indicators. Okay, let's revise about acids and bases. Students, we know acids are sour in taste while bases are bitter in taste. We learn about litmus also. So, acids turns blue, litmus to red, while bases turns red litmus to blue. How we define acid and bases? So, acid is a substance which gives hydrogen ion in water solution, while a base is a substance which gives hydroxide ions in water solution. You know, children, pH value of acid is less than 7, while pH value of base is greater than 7. Examples are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and bases are sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, etc. Okay, I hope you have understood it by now. Now let's move ahead and learn about neutralization in this video. Students, now let's look at an activity. Whenever you do this in the laboratory, make sure to do it only in the presence of your teacher. Okay? For this activity, we need dilute hydrochloric acid, phenolphthalein, sodium hydroxide, a conical flask, and a dropper. Fill 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid. Note down its color. Note down the color of phenolphthalein solution also. Okay? Add 2-3 drop of indicator to the acid. Now shake the test tube gently. Do you observe any change in color of the acid? No. Add to the acidic solution a drop of sodium hydroxide solution by a drop. Stir the tube gently. Is there any change in the color of the solution? No. Continue adding the sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop while stirring till the pink color just appear. Okay. Now add one more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid. What do you observe? The solution again becomes colorless. Okay. Again add 1 drop of sodium hydroxide solution. Is there any change in color? The solution again becomes pink in color. It is evident that when the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color. On the other hand, when the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solutions neutralize the effects of each other. When an acid solution and a base solution are mixed in a suitable amount, both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed. The resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Touch the test tube immediately after neutralization. What do you observe? In neutralization reaction, heat is always produced or evolved. The evolved heat raises the temperature of the reaction mixture. Okay? In neutralization reaction, a new substance is formed. This is called salt. Salt may be acidic, basic, or neutral in nature. Thus, neutralization can be defined as follows. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Okay, let's learn about neutralization in everyday life. First is indigestion. Students, our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. It helps us to digest food. But too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Sometimes indigestion is painful. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. Understood? Next is ant bite. Students, when an ant bites, it injects the acidic liquid like formic acid into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda. Baking soda means sodium hydrogen carbonate, okay, or calamine solution, which contains zinc carbonate. Next is soil treatment. Student, excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime, calcium oxide, or calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, organic matter means compost is added to it. Organic matter releases acids which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. Okay, and next is factory waste. The waste of many factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill fish and other organisms. The factory waste are therefore neutralized by adding basic substances. Okay, and most important is acid rain. Acid rain can damage buildings and statues made of limestone, marble, and plaster. Such material are made of calcium carbonate, a basic substance that is neutralized by acid rain. The structure decay and get coated with the black substance that contain gypsum salt. Okay, and it is formed when the sulfuric acid in acid rain react with the base calcium carbonate present in the building material. Okay, now this video is finished. I hope you all understand. Thank you.